Okay, I just took the chicken penne Fresco out of the microwave. I checked it, 12 minutes, perfect. They are just on that line of going from the al dente to a little overcooked. Just depends how you like your pasta. And so I am going to put the chicken in. Now you're gonna notice, let me turn you a little bit more. There we go. I'm using the back of the knife to scrape my chicken in. Why do I want to do that? Because I don't want to dull my cutting blade. When you're using your cutting blade to scrape anything, you're actually dulling that blade some. Now I'm not worried about this coloring because I'm going to wash it. I usually use it on dish soap. I'll put a little bit of soap on it, give it a wipe off, but then I'm going to put it in the dishwasher and that color will come out. All right. So the chicken is now in there. Yeah, making sure I'm not supposed to let it stand. So I'll mix the chicken in. And then I'm not just gonna dump the basil, I'm actually gonna sprinkle it. It allows it to mix a little better. I'm just gonna put it all in. I'm not gonna reserve any for garnish. And you can if you want, but I'm not going to. But you can see how it adds the color. All right, so now to mix in the cheese. Put about half in. Give it a little stir. And I'm just going to put the other part on top and let it sit. And then voila, we are ready to eat. And so I will post the recipe for this. And Ed, if you have any questions on anything that I used, please ask me. I'd be more than happy to help you. See you guys later. Have a great day.